Hi there. We will be solving problem 5.1.3, and this is book problem 8.14. As you can see, we're given this equation and we are asked to find the steady state and transient response. And as you can see, we're given this initial condition. And so to approach this equation, we should first take the Laplace transform. And as we do that, you can see here with our initial condition being 0, this term actually won't appear. And the 5t will become 5 over s squared. Be sure not to miss that because that will create a repeated root here shortly. Simplifying this expression, we get 2s plus 1 vs, and when we get vs by itself, you can see we get this. And so we need to solve for the s, or rather we need to figure how this is going to transform back into the time domain. And so as we split this up, as I said a minute ago, we'll have a repeated root from the s squared. So c1 over s squared, c2 over s, and then just this, what we have in the parentheses over, or I guess under c3. So we can solve this pretty easily. We can set up the system of equations here, multiply through by that, and we'll get these 3, and we can set that equal to the 5. When we do that, we get this system of equations, which will give us our C1, 2, and 3. And simply by plugging and chugging, we can find those. We'll plug those in here, and VS now looks like this. And we can take these back into the time domain pretty easily. And this one needs a little work. And so as we take out the 2, basically divide this whole thing by 2, we'll get the s by itself. We have a easy transformation from that. And from there, taking the inverse Laplace transform simplifies down to this, where these first 2 terms actually are the steady state response, and this last term is the transient response. Hopefully you learned something from this, and thank you for watching.